Lesson 116, number 4. Well, I tried a couple different things. That one didn't really work. This worked. Workers times rate times time equals jobs. At first I just kept it simple, but that was wrong. But workers times rate times time is jobs works. Okay, so in the first sentence it says 5 men and W women. So that's how many workers there are. Okay, so plug that in for workers. The rate, well, I guess we're going to find that out in a second. The time, 7 hours, and then it said they could do 2 jobs. So I solved it for rate by divide both sides by 7 and also by 5 plus W. So that's 2, it doesn't look that nice. It's 2 over 7 times 5 plus W. That's their rate. Okay, that's in the denominator. Okay, and then it says how long will it take M men and 4 women to do C jobs if the men could work just as fast as the women. So we know that their rate, we have their rate. That's the rate of the men and the rate of the women. So workers times rate times time equals jobs. So now we have M men and 4 women. We have their rate, which I just grabbed it from here and wrote it a little bit nicer. That's their rate. That's that. And their time, that's what they want to know is time. And this is how many jobs, C jobs. Okay, so I just did some algebra. I actually did some of it in my head, and it turned out nicer. When I looked in the answer book, they had a complex fraction, but I just kind of did it in my head. I said, well, the first thing I would do is divide both sides by M plus 4. So that gave me a C on the top and an M plus 4 on the bottom. And then I said, oh, I would multiply by the reciprocal of this, so that's going to make my 2 show up down here, and my 7 times 5 plus W up here. And that's actually exactly how they have it written. And that's actually the answer. That was a tricky question.